Welcome. Today we'll clarify the difference between MCB, RCCB, and ELCB. Which device actually saves your life in an electrical emergency? By the end of this video, you will know exactly what each device does, when it works, and when it fails. We are comparing the miniature circuit breaker, or MCB, which provides overcurrent protection. The residual current circuit breaker, RCCB, designed for earth leakage protection, and the earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB, which uses voltage-based protection. Electricity kills silently. A current of only 30 milliamps is enough to cause cardiac fibrillation, and it happens fast, in about 0.04 seconds. Standard circuits carry much higher currents. Our focus is on the device that cuts power before the fatal shock occurs. The MCB protects wires and appliances from overcurrent and short circuits using thermal and magnetic trips. However, the MCB only responds to large currents like 6 to 63 amps. It will not trip on the small but deadly 30 milliamps leakage. An MCB protects wires, but it does not protect humans. The RCCB is the life-saving device. It measures the difference between the current flowing out and the current returning. If the difference, the residual current, reaches 30 milliamps, it trips in less than 30 milliseconds. This speed prevents cardiac fibrillation. The 30 milliamperes RCCB is the residential standard for life safety. The ELCB is an older, obsolete device. It uses voltage sensing, monitoring the voltage rise on the earth wire. ELCBs fail if the earth connection is broken, if a person touches both live and neutral, or if multiple earth paths exist. IEC standards now recommend RCCB, and new ELCB installations are not recommended. In this side-by-side comparison, the RCCB stands out. It detects small residual currents and trips in less than 30 milliseconds, reliably saving human life. The MCB does not save lives, and the ELCB is unreliable due to its dependency on a perfect earth connection. For residential homes, install both MCB and a 30 milliamperes RCCB. Industrial settings use 100 to 300 milliamperes RCCB for equipment and fire protection, with 30 milliamperes for human contact areas. High-risk medical areas require high-sensitivity 10 milliamperes RCCBs. Always combine MCB for overcurrent with RCCB for life safety. Key takeaways: MCB offers overcurrent protection only. RCCB at 30 milliamperes reliably prevents electrocution. ELCB is obsolete. Always install MCB and RCCB together for complete protection. Sensitivity requirements vary by application. Install RCCB, save lives.